Excel's Secure Touch Winged Blood Collection Set is the ideal solution for intravenous blood sampling and injections. Its latex-free design provides for rapid venous access while maximizing patient comfort and eliminating the risk of needle stick injuries. A safety lock mechanism with audible click for preventing accidental exposure. The individually packaged set consists of a siliconized stainless steel cannula for easy insertion, flexible wings ensuring easy and secure positioning, kink-resistant 12-inch extension tubing. Available in 3 different gauges.